Ryan Williams, a 17-year-old wide receiver for Alabama, was a key player in Alabama's thrilling 41-34 victory over Georgia on September 28, 2024. With just over 2 minutes remaining in the game, Williams caught a crucial 75-yard touchdown pass, which helped Alabama regain the lead after Georgia had just taken their first lead with a long touchdown. Williams finished the game with 6 catches for 177 yards, showcasing his athleticism and ability to perform under pressure. This victory came during a heated SEC, Southeastern Conference rivalry, with both teams being top contenders in college football. Quarterback Jalen Milroe also had an outstanding game, completing 27 of 33 passes for 374 yards, 2 touchdowns, and rushing for another 117 yards. This win solidified Alabama's standing as a powerhouse this season, despite a tough challenge from Georgia.